Now we're going to go over how to actually insert a video into a blog post. So this was an example blog post that we were using for images and inserting a PDF. We're now going to cover how to actually insert an actual video from YouTube and embed it into an individual blog post. So what we're going to do here, you want to be logged into your WordPress dashboard, and then we're also going to, of course, be over on youtube.com. So youtube.com. And as you will recall, our website here is talking about basketball uniforms and jerseys and those types of things. So we're going to go over here to where it says blog post, and I'm just going to choose add new blog post. And let's say for this individual blog post here, we're talking about licensed sports memorabilia. So I'm going to say, let's just type in a school name or something. So let's say we're talking about the Georgia Bulldogs football jersey. So let's say Georgia Bulldogs licensed um, football jersey. We could even say NCAA licensed football jersey. Okay, so you kind of get the idea here. So let's just say that we're plugging in that we're doing a blog post about the Georgia Bulldog football jersey, Georgia Bulldog football jersey, and let's say that we've got our our image here for the actual football jersey. So let me go here to a website that you can be an affiliate for in this market. So we'll download an image, and you only want to download these images if they give you the rights to use it, which generally, as an affiliate, they do. They will give you those rights. So let's type in Georgia Bulldogs football jersey. All right, so let's just grab this jersey here, this image. And we'll just choose save picture as. And what we're going to do is we're just going to insert this directly from our blog. You could also, of course, upload it by the media library. So we're just going to grab this under pictures, and we're going to browse it. Here it is. So now we're going to choose save changes, and you can actually directly from here you can actually insert this right into the blog post. So we'll go with a medium image. We're going to choose insert into post, and then of course we'll do the right hand side so that we can type on the right hand side. Grab this stunning football jersey to show your pride. All right, so you get the idea there. That's basically the whole concept there. And so let's say to add in a little flavor to this post. So let's say we take some content here from their site, and you may want to rewrite it. Of course, if you're being an affiliate, that would be the ideal thing. You don't want to just swipe from other websites. Um, so let's just come on in here and we can tweak with that. Okay, so we'll just paste that in here. And let's say just to add a little spice to this, we want to put in a video, maybe like a highlight video about the Georgia Bulldogs, because that would kind of flow with this. And so YouTube, you can do all kinds of things with their content. As long as the video lets you embed it, you can do all kinds of things just to spice up your own blog post, because media helps get people to stay on your blog post. Having people stay longer on your blog post ends up leading to better search engine rankings and more traffic, because it shows that people are actually liking the content on your site. So it's a very good idea to insert videos on here. So let's just type in Georgia Bulldogs football highlights, and you could really pick any year or anything you wanted to. And let's just go here. Okay. Okay, so let's say this image right here that I decide I want to use this video. All right, so it's got some music behind it. Okay. So what we're going to do here is once you're on YouTube, whenever there's a video that you want to share, you just want to go to share here, share or embed video, and you're going to choose embed. It's going to give you a link, but we're going to go ahead and just choose embed. So you'll see that embed code, and we're going to just right click on that and we're going to choose copy. So we're going to right click on that and choose copy. And then what we're going to do here is go to our blog post to where we want to insert that, and we're going to choose HTML. So we're going to choose HTML. So you'll see here at the top it says visual and then it says HTML. So I'm going to come right on over here where there's a blank spot. This symbol right here in HTML code language basically means spacing. So that's just just an FYI for you, and that's what that means. So we're just going to paste in that video, and then what we're going to do is go ahead and choose visual back here. So there it is. So there's the video now showing up. So let's go here to save draft, and I'm going to select preview. And now you'll see, because we've actually optimized the site from previous things, we have good search engine stuff right here. But now we've actually got a nice looking, little blog post. Yeah, we might need to clean up, some of these excess, excess bullet points here. But you've got like a nice clean looking blog post. You've got the image of the product here. You could even put in like your affiliate link there. And then you've got your video that plays directly from your individual blog post. And so it does a really good job of actually adding content that flows right with what you're writing about. So, so that's where it would be ideal for you to go ahead and insert, videos in there. So that's how you insert videos. You just go out to YouTube, you grab the videos from YouTube. So you go to youtube.com, you search for whatever topic you're blogging about. There's a good chance there's going to be something out there about it. Let's say you're blogging about, let's just say video games, or let's think, let's Xbox 360. So you could find a variety of videos that kind of show the Xbox 360 in action. Like here's one, and then you just go to share right below the video. So just choose share right below the video, and then choose embed, and you're going to be given this embed code that you can then copy and then paste into your actual blog, so that it actually will show up. So we're just going to close out of that, and you do that under HTML, and again you just copy and paste in your video. Now let's say the only other thing that that I can see here that you could end up tweaking with this, if you wanted to, is as you can also center the video. So let's say that you decide you want to center that video, because right here it's kind of off to the left side. What you would do here is go under HTML. You're going to scroll down to this iframe source code, which is what YouTube gives you, and on your keyboard right above the I believe the apostrophe right next to the letter M, there's like a caret key to the left, and then you're going to type in the word center, and then you can do on the period page, there's also, if you do shift and there's a caret key to the right, and so we'll do the same thing at the very end of the code, but this time, so we'll do caret to the left, so it's like the comma, and then but you're using the comma on the comma key, there's that caret to the left, and so you use shift to get it. And this time we're going to add a / before the word center, and then we're going to do shift and the caret key back there. And what that does, that's HTML code telling it to center the document. So now we've just centered that, and you'll see here, so if you go back to visual, and then we'll go to save draft here, and it may not show up on this actual template here, just because we are we're working with already, it's pretty centered as it is, but it did kind of bump it over a little bit. But that's how you can actually tweak with that, so that it will end up so that it will actually center center your content. So if we go here to preview post, you can, check up on it. So you notice here we did kind of fix the issue over there. The only other thing that we can add in here, you can put in your link, like your HTML link, and we'll cover that in another video.